This review is of General Mills' total 100% daily value of 11 vitamins and minerals. 100% whole grain flakes, crunchy whole grain wheat flakes cereal. It is Parv, so in that respect it's safe for Jews and Muslims. And let's see, contains bioengineered food ingredients. Is there anything else? There is a lot of salt in here. Good golly. And here, and this is the blurb that they use to try and make people convinced that they should get this product. If you have a diet, excuse me, darn pollen. If you have a diet that is bad for your health, then this is certainly one way to supplement your diet. Like if you eat a lot of processed foods, fast food, junk food, and all that, you're probably not getting some of these or not getting enough of what is in here. But if you have a good diet, this is not necessary. This too is not necessary. You may need certain ones of these. Like if you're pregnant, you need folic acid. But you don't need all of these. And depending on the form of what's in this cereal, like iron, if it's ferrous, you don't want it because it's inflammatory. But the point here is that if you have a bad diet, this is going to be a good choice for you. But otherwise, it may be a bad choice because you may overdose on certain things here that you can only have in limited amounts before you start having trouble, like iron. Nutrition facts. So if you look at a cup, 140 calories in a cup. I'm going to have to do a video about calories. I just recently learned that calories are not what we think they are. 1 gram of fat, of which none are saturated or trans. Half a gram of polyunsaturated. Don't know where the rest disappeared to because, of course, the government doesn't require them to list it if it's less than half a gram. No cholesterol, 190 milligrams of sodium, which is absolutely unnecessary. 33 grams of carbs, of which 4 are dietary fiber, 6 are sugars that are of which fiber added, and 3 are proteins. Okay, and there are all the vitamins and minerals. And you can see that we also have other vitamins and minerals here that we get a smaller amount of. And here are the ingredients. So let's see how many sources of sugar. 2 sources of sugar directly, and then 1 indirect source through the whole grain wheat. And then the vitamins and minerals. Let's see what this is. Doesn't say what kind of iron it is, so I'm going to assume that they were lazy and put a ferrous iron instead of the ferritin from plants, which is what is good for our bodies and our bodies can store. But I really don't know. So that's it. Let's give it a try. I thought, since I usually wear a blase shirt because I often have been at work, that today I would wear a colorful Indonesian batik shirt. And also because, you know, there are all those videos where you get to see my nipples and stuff, and some of you guys are like, ugh. Well, it's the human body, get over it. Anyways. And it's actually nice. I haven't had Total in a long time. But it's got a nice flavor. You can definitely tell that there's salt in there. Although I'm not saying that it's like a burst of salt or anything like that. But it's just got this combination of sweet and salty. But it's well balanced. And it enhances the wheat flavor. So I think I really like the flavor. I'm a little bit concerned because I do have a very good diet. Every once in a while I break down and eat something I shouldn't be eating so much of, but mostly I have a really good diet. So I don't actually need a product like this where it's 100% of this and that and the other thing. And if you already have sufficient iron, for example, you definitely want to be very, very careful about this product, especially if it turns out that iron is ferrous instead of ferritin. Yeah, anyways, I'll give it an 8.5. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a great day.